Hi there! Today we're going to talk about SEO management. So we'll discuss its many aspects and what to look for in an SEO management partner. SEO management is the ongoing process of optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. It involves implementing techniques to enhance the website's non-paid search performance and attract relevant visitors from search engines like Google. So, to put it down very simply, SEO management is the process of ensuring that your website is built and enhanced to be recommended by Google to users. That often involves three aspects: content, technical performance, and a website's authority. Now let's elaborate on the key aspects of SEO management. Number one is keyword research and analysis. Keyword research is a crucial component of SEO management. It involves identifying the search terms and phrases that users are likely to use when looking for products and services related to the website's offerings. Now, by conducting keyword research, SEO managers can identify high-value keywords with sufficient search volume and reasonable competition, and this helps optimizing website content and targeting the right audience. The second key aspect is on-page optimization. Now, on-page SEO involves optimizing the website's internal elements to improve its relevance and visibility in search results. This includes optimizing things like the page title, the meta description, headings, and linking to relevant pages on your own website. On-page SEO also involves embedding relevant keywords in your content and the URLs too. So, in other words, on-page SEO has to do with creating high quality and engaging content and ensuring proper formatting for search engine readability. The second key aspect of SEO management is technical SEO. Now, technical SEO focuses on optimizing the technical aspects of a website to enhance its overall performance in search engines. Those technical enhancements involve ensuring proper website design structure and implementing clean and SEO-friendly URLs. Things like optimizing the site loading speed and improving its mobile friendliness are super important for technical SEO. SEO managers also try to implement XML sitemaps and resolve issues like duplicate content, broken links, and crawl errors. Now, you see here that technical SEO helps search engines understand and index the website effectively. The fourth key aspect here of SEO management is off-page optimization and link building. Off-page optimization refers to activities conducted outside the website to improve its visibility and authority. Now, a significant aspect of off-page optimization is link building. This is also known as backlinking. Now, backlinking is when other important and reputable websites link to your business. These backlinks serve as a vote of confidence for search engines. That's a sign to Google that the website has credibility and authority on that topic. That's why SEO managers will often promote their content, reach out to industry influencers, do guest blogging, and use social media marketing to acquire valuable backlinks. Aspect number 5 is SEO performance tracking and analysis. Now, measuring and analyzing SEO performance is vital to ensure progress and also to identify areas for improvement. SEO managers use various tools to monitor key performance metrics such as organic traffic, keyword rankings, click-through rates, and conversion rates too. They analyze this data to understand the impact of their SEO efforts and find out which strategies are successful, also to make decisions based on this data to optimize the website further. The last aspect of SEO management is keeping up with algorithm updates and industry trends. Major search engines like Google update their algorithms frequently, which can impact search rankings. That's why SEO managers need to adapt their strategies and techniques to align with these changes. Staying informed about the latest trends, best practices, and emerging technologies helps SEO managers stay ahead of the competition. If you're thinking of hiring an SEO manager or hiring an SEO management agency, you need to ensure that they're skilled at 5 different levels. Number 1 is audience and competitor research. Number 2 is content marketing and how to optimize that content for SEO. Number 3 is web development to ensure that the website is built to match the expectations of both Google and visitors. Number 4 is link building and building a website's authority. And finally, number 5 is reporting and data analysis to be able to evaluate your website's performance and how to improve from there. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision when hiring an SEO management agency that aligns with your business goals, understands your industry, and can drive meaningful results through effective SEO strategies. Thank you very much for watching this video. We've helped hundreds of businesses improve their SEO performance, and we're happy to help you. So if you have any questions about SEO management, just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.